MGF safe lift road plates are 2.4 metres by 1.2 metres steel road plates provided with anti-skid surfacing and a central lifting point, along with a lifting adapter and single leg chain. Safe lift road plates are designed to cover trenches in carriageways. Safe lift road plates differ from our conventional road plates by including a lifting socket central to the plate, which when combined with a lifting adapter can be handled using a single leg chain, improving efficiency and safety on site. Safe lift road plates must only ever be lifted vertically. At no point should the plates be dragged on the ground or transported using the bucket and blade of the excavator. Safe lift road plates are extremely heavy and a suitable lifting plan must be in place prior to commencing works. The handling of safe lift road plates is greatly simplified over conventional road plates. It is the customer's responsibility to ensure that no one carrying out the works puts themselves in danger throughout the installation and removal process. It is recommended to read Traffic Advisory Leaflet 6/14 using road plates at road works, published by the Department for Transport. It is recommended that whenever stacking safe lift road plates, that each plate be separated using timber chocks. Prior to installation, the location must be assessed for suitability. If safe lift road plates are used to bridge over a shored trench, then the additional loads induced by the traffic must be taken into account in the shoring design. The lifting adapter should be opened and inserted into the hole in the centre of the road plate. Be aware of finger trap hazards. The adapter can now be closed to latch onto the road plate. Ensure the adapter is fully secured prior to lifting. A single leg lifting chain can now be attached to the lifting adapter. One operative can perform this task. Once a single leg chain is connected to the lifting adapter, the road plate can be carefully lifted vertically and moved to where it is to be installed. Ensure no one is within the excavator exclusion zones during the handling process. Before lowering in place, ensure that the area they are to be installed is clear and capable to take the weight of the plate. Make sure to keep hands and feet clear to avoid injury. Ensure that the plates are supported by at least 500mm of earth and sufficient bedding material on each side of the trench. Also ensure trip hazards have been removed. The lifting chain hook can now be removed and the lifting adapter can be opened, then lifted out from the road plate. If the plates are recessed, then ensure that any gaps between the road plate and the ground are suitably backfilled. If the plates are raised, then the customer is to ensure a suitable means of transition is implemented if required. The customer is to ensure that the plates are suitably anchored down to suit underlying ground type. Ensure that traffic only passes over the plates in one direction at any given time, and be sure that only a single vehicle has contact with any plate at once. It is recommended to limit the speed the vehicles travel on the plates to no more than 30 miles per hour. To remove the panels, firstly remove all ground anchors. Attach the lifting adapter as described previously. Attach the hook of the single leg lifting chain onto the lifting adapter. Once secured, the road plate can be lifted and either moved to a suitable storage area or directly onto a wagon.